Alright, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today we have another product to unbox, and I'll just give you a walk around about this product lah. Okay, it's a very interesting product. It's the first time I'm actually holding it, and I thought I can give some reviews and show you guys how the component is physically. That's the entire point of unboxing, right? So okay, today we have the Infinity Kappa mid-range. Okay, it's a 20mx. Okay, so this is a mid-range, not mid-bass, mid-range. There are two different drivers. Mid-range is different, mid-bass is different. Okay, so let's see the box. Okay, that's the specification. All right, it's a 2-inch mid-range. Okay, other than that, nothing much on the box, so we will move on. Okay, when you open, you'll get the manual. Okay, and you'll have some stickers and whatnot, and you'll have this bracket. So if you have a Pro 2 Myvi, this is very easy for the Myvi lagi best lah for the front bracket. The 4-inch tweeter. Okay, that's easy. Alright, we open, we will be greeted with these two drivers. Okay, let me just open up. I've already opened this, so okay, so this is the front grill. Remove the grill, and this is it, the mid-range. Very nice, very silk build, very solid. Actually looks very fantastic, feels very nice, feels heavy. Yep, nice cooling system here at the back. So if you're planning to do like a 3-way setup for your front pillars, then you'll have your tweeter and you'll have your mid-range, however you want to install it lah. Okay, and the same one here. On this side, we'll have the crossover for this. Alright, so the best part of this Kappa series is you can install it as 2-way system or 3-way system. So what you have to do in order to get to a 3-way system, if you are an existing Kappa user, you'll get this cable. Okay, get this cable. Alright, you just have to plug it in. Okay, and then you plug this in your Kappa component crossover, so it becomes a 3-way network. Okay, very smart design, really good design. Okay, so another one here, we have the crossover, same as the other. Alright, and under the box, what we have, nothing much here. You'll get this fast ring. I think it's like a foam that prevents air leak, and you have your screw sets. Okay, that's the screw set. We have another screw set here, and you get an Allen wrench, not wrench, Allen bead with the screws, and you get another crossover wire. That's about it. Alright, so next video I'll be explaining what is the difference between mid-range and mid-bass. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. Alright, I will see you guys in the next episode then. Okay, so take care guys.